You can customize your label to different formats based on your needs and local regulations. To do this, click on the Customize Label button, then select Choose Label Style. Here you will find several formats based on different countries. Once you select the format you are looking for, you will notice your nutrition facts label will automatically update. For example, I am going to select the linear format. This is normally used for small to medium packages and is compliant with FDA regulations. Another example would be the Canadian label format here. Once I choose it, the format will switch to their bilingual standard format in both English and French. We also have the Australian and New Zealand label format, and this can be seen here. Once you pick the label format you require, just click on the Save button and it will be stored in your account.